Hi, today I have a very special news for all of us. With me, a nice painting shop, and I review their shop in a while because he gave one neighbor a free paint for their bumper or even the wheels, correct?
Yeah.
All right, so tell me what you want to paint for one neighbor.
Okay. It's for the diamond cut rims? We can choose one most diamond cut rims to repair it.
I wish I would be the winner.
I know.
Okay, guys, so put a picture at the comment box below and we will choose one winner. The winner will be announced next week. Hi, sir.
Hi, Mr. Tag. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for inviting us and thank you for joining Dr. Carr.
Pleasure, pleasure.
Thank you. Can you tell me a little bit more about your shop? It's
Okay.
very spacious, by the way.
Thank you. Thanks for coming, Mr. Tariq here. Actually, this company started here in 2011 in Alcos. We have come through for the specialist alternative for the body shops. The core scenario for this business is only for the cosmetic repairs, like quicker, cheaper, and better. So when we coming to buy this company, this is what it crisis in that time in Alcos. After that, I bought this company. Then since 2021, I bought this company. We are growing this business. So we are good with the body works, like I said, and we are on with the leather repairs, alloy rim repairs, diamond cut repairs, headlight repairs. So everything A to Z in the body.
Fantastic.
Except, and we planning to add also mechanical and electrical as well.
I can see that there's a dealership fixing their cars even here. So that's mean you are using the top end material.
Yes, and we are actually using one of the best material in the UAE, which is coming from German, which is approved from the such a body shop, agency body shops like Bestune. For example, I can say we are the trade partners with them, and we are approved body shop for them.
I want to ask you about the hail. Remember a week ago we had a hail here?
It's interesting. Yes, I have maybe 6 cars in row to fix these hailstones. Some of them paintless, some of them I had to do the paint, and then that some cars need to be replace the roof glass and then windscreen as well. It's waiting for the parts to become.
So we need to say that you can fix everything.
Everything in the
paintless
body,
and with paint.
and with paint. Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me more about the services that you have?
Okay. Now we have, like I said, in full body works, which is we have.
How about the mechanical and electrical?
Yes, we have the minor service mechanical, which is going on, and it's good reviews we getting, and then electrical also, which is going on here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Is there any special rates for the people watching this video?
Of course, we always giving special rates. Some campaign is running on like a Google customers and FB, and so we are giving special rates for the your followers.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. All right. Last question. Where are you located?
We are located in DIP 2, next to Civil Defense Roundabout.
Fantastic. And we will list all the contact details and the map at the description box below. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Tariq.
Dr. Carr channel and mobile application are the best.